Hello, my name is Esmeralda, and today I will be sharing my takeaways or what stood out to me as the course concludes. One of my takeaways or something that really stood out to me was the UDL journal reflections. I really enjoyed doing them, although sometimes they were kind of challenging to understand what the prompt was trying to get across. I just had a couple of questions sometimes. But overall, I think they were really helpful for my learning, and I thought it was something very unique. I've never came across something like that, where we were able to have the freedom of choosing each one for the weeks that came by, and then like at the end of the course, we must have completed each one of them. And it was also really unique because I was able to have a good experience with different apps and resources that I had never used before, such as the Powtoon or like the S'more or the Meme. I had never came across those sort of applications to to create an assignment for it or anything like that. So I thought it was pretty cool because they might be stuff that I continue to use as um my education goes by. Now I have different options to choose from, and I just thought they were very meaningful. And another thing that was also very meaningful to my learning in this course and that really stood out to me was the creation of our 5E lesson plan. Although a lot of us did have a lot of struggles and was also really stressful at times here and there, because of we wanted to be the exact thing that was being asked for, or it was just kind of challenging here and there. But I think overall it was a great experience, kind of getting an idea of what's it gonna be like when we do become teachers. And it was a really great experience to work with my peers, although we were not able to be in a classroom. It was nice being able to still make those connections with my peers and be able to create this lesson plan with them and have an understanding of what it's like to be a teacher and actually creating a lesson plan and going with it step by step and then also presenting it. And it was quite stressful, like I mentioned before, and it was quite nerve-wracking, and just so many things going through our minds, like scared and like kind of like, no, we're gonna be okay. So it was a lot of different mixed emotions, but overall, once we did complete it and get it done, it was such a huge relief, and we felt accomplished because what, we did it. And yeah, like those were things that really stood out to me and my takeaways as this course comes to an end. And I'm so glad that I was able to experience them and be able to take this course as well. Thank you.